Look, I'm pretty sure Turbo was listed on Binance because CC just got out. Look, he probably gave a call from prison. He's like, yo, guys, I'm coming out. I need Turbo listed. Listen, guys, this is my favorite meme coin, and this is my favorite meme coin to make videos on. Literally was making videos when price was stagnant because I'm just that bullish on this token. We're going to be talking about where I think it could go, where a lot of people think this token could go, and some exciting news that's come out for Turbo. Listen, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ro. We cover the latest, greatest crypto content here on this page. There's about 6,150 of you guys subscribed to this channel. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm very privileged, very honored that you guys have given me an opportunity to make videos like this and try to be entertaining and not just ugly, right? Thank you so much, guys. I would appreciate if you could subscribe and help me get to 10K before the end of the year. It's always been a goal of mine ever since I was a kid to get 10K subs. And I mean, honestly, it would truly be just a blessing. So yeah, help me out. Hit the subscribe button and let's get into today's video. Turbo took a little bit of a dump. Now, for the people that were like, I hope it comes back to 205, you're mistaken. I don't think it's coming back down to 205, but I always tell you guys, don't chase the pumps, chase the dumps, okay? You guys have this opportunity to load up right now. So, are you taking advantage of it? Let me know down in the comments below. You tell me, what is your move right now? Turbo gave you a little bit of a dip, you know, volume down 22%. Not crazy, right? Because this is still like 120% higher than when I was screaming to you guys to buy when it was at like 2029, 2003. But I'm going to stop talking about that, okay? I'm going to stop tooting my own horn. Even, hey, listen, I was talking about Turbo back in March, okay? Back in March when I made my YouTube account, I made a short about Turbo, or not when I made my YouTube account. When I started posting crypto videos, I made a short about Turbo, and it was at like 30 something. And even before that is when I started buying, guys. So I've been up a lot. Obviously, very happy with that, and it's still not too late to buy in. The thing is, if you do get in now, it is the law of diminishing returns. The longer you wait, market cap goes higher. There's a lot more money that needs to be added in order for the crypto to move. So you're not going to make as much gains. Is that to say that, you know, gains aren't going to be made? No, bro. There's still a lot. There's like 10, 20x still hidden in this token, okay? Maybe even 30, 40, 50. Who knows? It really just depends how parabolic we could go for this bull run. But you are still super early, guys. September is coming to an end. And you guys know Q4 historically, you know, if history doesn't repeat itself, but it often does rhyme. And Q4s have always tend to be very good for crypto, very good for the economy, just in general. Now, great tokenomics for this token, but I'm not going to get into it because you guys already know about the tokenomics for this coin, right? Amazing dev, doxed. He started this thing off as a, you know, just a little project because he was an art collector. Okay? He was an art connoisseur. And his art was published all over, you know, galleries and things like that. And he realized, bro, NFTs are kind of dead. Let's start a cool experiment. So he went to GPT-4 and was like, yo, like, make me the best meme coin with a budget of 69 bucks. And now Turbo is born, which encompasses the fact that it's a meme coin and it's an AI token. So it falls into the realm of both of them. So even when people come into these markets and they go to CoinMarketCap to look at cryptos, if they search under meme coins, they're going to see Turbo. If they search under AI coins, they're going to see they're going to see Turbo, which is obviously a very good sign. I like the fact that it kind of is in that Venn diagram and it crosses over both of them. Look, super, super bullish chart. The demand area is obviously something that is super strong, where I genuinely, guys, I think the ship has left the 203. I think it's never coming back to this port, to be completely honest with you guys. The worst case scenario, if we have a pullback, and the only reason I say if we have a pullback is because of the fear and greed index right now. We're at a 57. In reality, we're at like a 64, 65, something like that. In reality, if we have a pullback, guys, if this demand area right now does not hold, worst case scenario, we drop down to 205. Do I think it's going to happen? Highly unlikely, but that is the worst case because this area is going to act as the next demand zone. It's going to be very bullish. And from here, we could see a little bit of, you know, teeter-tottering, and then boom, October, second week, third week, fourth week rolls around and we see more pumps to the upside. Now, the beautiful part is, I mean, we kind of needed this, right? We've been pumping for the last 54 days, to be completely honest with you guys. Well, not 54 days here. Let me start from this over here. We've been pumping for the last like 22 days, guys, and we've pumped over 90%. A little bit of a coolback, a little bit of a cool down is necessary, guys, once you've made a 2x. So just consider this as normal price action, normal behavior. and it's the weekend, right? So prices are going to fluctuate, prices are going to dip a little bit, but come next week, especially gearing into the start of October, we're going to see a lot of rallying. And I think, you know, as October, the first week hits, we might see a little bit of a sell-off because everyone's expecting the price to rally in October, and maybe the opposite will happen in the first week, right? Who knows? Nobody has a crystal ball. I wouldn't bet on what happens in the first week. I would just bet on what happens in October as a whole. And October as a whole, I'm pretty sure is going to be a very, very bullish month. Now, even if we look at how much percentage is left to the upside, guys, it's only a 50% gain to find. Let's see how much it is to break past a penny. You're looking at a 50% gain, guys. That's very easy for this token to do, a 50% gain, and we are going to be above a penny. And I promise you guys, when we break over a penny, we're not going to dip below. It's going to act as such a psychological level, a psychological demand area. There's going to be a new community of investors that come into the market that form what we have right now. Turbo community is one of the most bullish communities I've ever ran into, I've ever been a part of, that I even get the privilege of speaking for. I've done a couple AMAs for them, and it's honestly such an amazing time because I love this token, and there's a huge community when the price was at 203. Imagine the community that's going to be built, the next community that comes forward that forms that new the new community, the next amount of people that come and form that new community when price breaks over a penny. It's going to be crazy, guys, okay? And if you're watching right now, you are in very early to the project, so just pat yourself on the back for that. Obviously, if you want to stay up to date, follow them on Twitter. And this is super cool. Turbo now available on Binance Convert. Easily swap your crypto into Turbo on Binance Convert with 0 trading fees. That's insane. So basically, I use like this convert tool a lot, especially on KuCoin. If you have like USDC, you just basically go flip it and then you could just hold it. Super cool. I think that's amazing. I love that they're doing this. Look, CZ literally came out because Turbo got listed, okay? Turbo preparing for a big bullish move, and I definitely agree, guys. This cooldown is just them. It's us preparing the rockets, fueling the rockets for the next leg up. This token is about to take off. Turbo is about to take flight. This is your chance to catch the wave before it's too late. The same price action over here, guys. You can see this flag over here, and once we touch down back on that line, you could expect price to bounce off of it, move towards the upside, and that will be a very bullish day. Turbo archetypes as one of the strongest meme coins I've ever seen. I'm expecting at least a $5 to $15 billion market cap. Now, to be completely honest with you guys, an 8-9 billion Turbo in terms of market cap is 10 cents. So a 15 billion, you're probably looking around a 20-25 cent Turbo, which again, is huge. That's not a small amount by any stretch of the imagination. Comment below what your guys' price predictions are and why you think that is. Now, there was one person that commented it's going to the market cap of Dogecoin in last bull run, and Dogecoin was at a 90 billion. Guys, listen, it's not doing that. That's unrealistic. Please be realistic. Comment down below some price predictions. I will see you guys in my next video. Listen, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. I post 3 times a day. Every single day I try to be as consistent as possible. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and for the support. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you guys, and yeah, peace out, guys. Take care.